Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to record a meeting in Zoom. First, when you're in a meeting using the desktop app, click on the More icon on the bottom toolbar. Then, look for the Record option. Keep in mind, if you don't see this option, it means the host has disabled recording. In that case, you'd need to use a third-party app like OBS Studio to screen record independently. Now, if you are the host and want to enable this feature, go to zoom.us and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to Settings under My Account and switch to the Recording tab. Right below, you'll see a setting for local recording or record to computer file. If it's turned off, just toggle it on. This allows both you and your participants to use the record feature. Okay, let's say you're a participant and the host has enabled recording. During the meeting, click on the More icon and select Record. Next, click on Request to record to this computer and hit Send Request. This sends a prompt to the host asking for their permission. The host will get a notification and they can either hit Approve or Decline. If they approve, you'll get a confirmation message. A red record icon will appear at the bottom, letting you know it's currently recording, and you'll also see a blinking rec indicator at the top. You can click this indicator and select pause if you need to take a break, or resume to keep going. When you're done, just hit stop recording. After you stop, a notification will pop up letting you know that the recorded file will be converted to MP4 format, but only after the meeting ends. Now, to find where your files are saved, open the Zoom app on your computer, click on your profile avatar, and select Settings. Head over to the Recording section. Here, you'll see a Store My Recording At location path. Click Open to jump right into that folder. Your recordings are neatly organized into folders named by the date and the meeting's name. Remember, if the meeting is still going on, the file hasn't been converted to an MP4 video yet. You have to end the meeting first. Once you do, Zoom will start converting it. Just wait a little bit and you'll have your final MP4 video file. So those are the basics of recording a meeting directly in Zoom. Just a quick reminder, using Zoom's built-in tool requires the host's permission. If you want to record a meeting privately without the host knowing, you'll have to use a third-party screen recorder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.